guys, it's Dan here, and today I'm not doing a cooking video for you. I'm going to share with you what I did this past weekend. We cooked a hog for a local charity around here that raises money for underprivileged kids so they can have Christmas. Wonderful charity, had a great weekend. Hopefully you enjoy these pictures that I took while I was doing everything this weekend. I know I'm leaving a lot of people out of this video just because I didn't know if they'd be comfortable being on YouTube or not. But I want to thank each and every one of you that helped prep the hog, get it wrapped, stuffed, get it on the cooker, do all the sides, work in the kitchen and everything. And then to the Eagle Riders, they were wonderful also. They did a motorcycle ride for us. A lot of them, they are great people. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, they had 25 bikes in the ride and 2 Jeeps to be chase vehicles in case anybody broke down or anything. They rode a little over 120 miles. I think they had 5 stops. They raised money for our charity at each and every stop, got donations for our live auction and our silent auction. They rode 120 miles through southeastern Indiana, through some beautiful countryside, making their stops, help raising money for the charity. Wonderful people. Here's a few pictures of the hog getting done. Longest hour of my life every year when we do this is when I pull it off. I put it on the table, leave it wrapped in the foil, even leave the wire on it for a full hour before we open it up and see everything is beautiful. This year's turned out great. The sauerkraut, potatoes, and carrots were wonderful. As you can see, the foil got picked clean. Everybody enjoyed it. Right here's just a few pictures of a few of the items that we auctioned off. Everything was donated. We didn't have to spend any money for any of these auction items. I can't say it enough. The people that are involved with the E.W. Tatman Underprivileged Children's Fund are wonderful people. Last year we bought Christmas for over 300 children in Fayette County, Indiana, and hopefully we'll be able to again this year. It's just amazing, the generosity, especially during these tough times. And we had 2 wonderful auctioneers donate their time, the Sparks brothers. And right here you'll see pie all over their face because someone offered to buy those 2 pies for $50 a piece if they'd shove them in each other's face. And since it was a charity for the kids, that's what they did. And then the Sweetwater Band, they donated their time to us. They played for 4 hours for free. Thank you guys very much for watching this video. I appreciate it. If you like this video or any of my actual cooking videos or whatnot, if you would, please hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel. If you hit that little notification bell next to where you subscribe at, you'll get notifications when I put videos out and everything. Well, I'm gonna gotta go to work. Hopefully I'll get a regular cooking video out real soon. But hopefully each and every one of you have a blessed day. Thank you.